Senate lawmakers set to vote on whether to renew the NSA's controversial FISA program. The measure passed in the House last week, but our next guest says it may not be a win for Americans if it does pass. Warning, it puts the constitutional privacy rights of every American at risk. Here to explain, as he has since the day it passed, Fox News senior judicial analyst Judge Andrew Napolitano.
Right.
Judge, first off, on the X's and O's of this, is it going to pass the Senate?
Yes, it'll pass the Senate because the filibuster has been cut off, 60 in favor of cutting it off, 38 in favor of continuing it. I think we can presume that the overwhelming majority, if not all of those 60, will vote in favor of it.
Some people...
And this is bipartisan. As upset as I am about this, there are Republicans and Democrats on both sides.
And the thing is, as the president tweeted out, he's concerned about the rampant unmasking of Americans, supposedly for reasons that are of international crisis or a cause. Have we addressed the problem of the Samantha Powers massive unmasking?
No.
The unmasking of Michael Flynn?
Okay, so in the old days, this intelligence, which consisted of a digital copy of phone calls and an actual copy of texts and emails, didn't have who sent it and who received it. When that is added to it, that's called unmasking. This will not solve the problem of unmasking. And who has said that? Congressman Devin Nunes. And who is he? Chairman of the House Committee on Intelligence basically said, we put this raw intelligence in the hands of people who are unworthy of it because they will pass it on to others for political purposes. The use of raw intelligence data for political purposes will undermine our democracy. The fact that the NSA can now spy on everyone and then sell the raw data to law enforcement, local, state, or federal, will destroy the right to privacy. If we're going to do that, and I don't think we should, we have to know that we can trust the people in whose hands we put this data.
Can you legislate integrity? Clearly, the answer is no.
The answer to that is no. The other problem is this produces so much data. It's what the intelligence community calls information overload. It's too much to go through because it's everything about everybody.
Well, there'll be a vote today, and it won't be to fund the government.
I'm going to be down there one last stand. I don't think I can stop this, but I'm going to do the Brett Baer special report tonight, but I will be in Capitol Hill.
Keep in mind, leave seats in first class for the judge if you're going on Amtrak.